Welcome. If you want to reset network settings in Samsung Frame TV, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the general, select network, and right now you have to select reset network settings. Confirm by select reset. Now just wait a little bit. As you can see, right now we successfully reset network settings. So we can set them again by going to the network settings, or we can just simply close. And right now we can just go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.